So here's another way to actually find your research gap. This is even a simpler way. So we go to Google Scholar or any other database of your choice, and then you type your topic of interest. So in this case, let's look for COVID-19 vaccine hesitancy. Then you can see that we have a lot of studies that have popped up. To be safe, you can also filter the research results for recency. So let's go with 2021 articles that have been published since 2021. Then you go through the list of the results and look for an article that is rich, an article that contains details, or an article whose topic seems to be very detailed. So let's go with this one published in 2021. So here we have it. And once you are inside the article, go straight to the discussion section. And what we are going to do here is to look for the limitations and future research paragraph. It's usually the last paragraph of the discussion. We can see the limitation paragraph here, and we also have the future research suggestions here. So you read through this to see what limitations this study has specified, and from here you can actually deduce your own research gap. Again, if you are also feeling lazy to do this, you can simply copy this and go to ChatGPT, and you can type in a prompt like, based on the limitations from this study, suggest research gaps and corresponding research topics I can explore. Then you paste in what you've copied from the article and let ChatGPT do its work. So you can see ChatGPT is stating the research gaps and corresponding research topics that you can explore. If you want more from ChatGPT, you can still prompt it to give you cross-sectional, quantitative, qualitative topics. You can fine-tune it any way you want. So yeah, this is the simplest way to get a research gap and a research topic without breaking sweat using AI.